गोय मेडिकल कॉलेजीन सुमार 400 कोटी खर्च करून नवे शवाघर बांधला. ताचे उक्तावण 2013 मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान केल्ले. मात 5 वर्सां सोंपली तरी नव्या शवाघराचो उपेग जायना. तशेंच शवाघर बांदतना सारकें नियोजन केल्लें ना म्हूण कांय त्रुटी आसात. विनाकारण लोकांच्या पैशांची वाट सरकारान लायल्या. नवे शवाघर बांदतना भ्रष्टाचार जाला म्हूण भ्रष्टाचार विरोधी खात्याकडल्यान ह्या प्रकरणाची आनी अधिकाऱ्यांची चौकशी करची म्हूण आदवोगाद आयरिश रॉड्रिगीजान राज्याच्या मुखेल सचिवाकडेन कागाळ केल्या.
In my complaint, I have drawn the attention of the Chief Secretary that this morgue was inaugurated on 19th of December 2013. This morgue was built at a whopping cost of around 40 crores, and it's almost 5 years and the morgue is not yet functional. The postmortems are still being done in the old rotting and dilapidated old building. Now, this morgue was wrongly designed. There is no provision for drainage and no provision for ventilation. So it's a criminal waste of public funds. I've requested the Chief Secretary to direct the Vigilance Department to conduct an inquiry. We need to know as to how such a project was allowed unplanned for, and it's a matter of shame that it's almost 5 years and the state of the art morgue is not yet functional. I have requested the Chief Secretary that the people of Goa need to know what role the then Professor of Forensic Medicine played in this whole project. I'm also informed that one of the assistant professor who was monitoring this project has now built a huge palatial bungalow. So all this needs to be probed, and since this project was executed by the Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation, officials who are responsible need to be booked. So I've requested the Chief Secretary to direct the Vigilance Department to conduct an inquiry into this multi-crore scam and to initiate criminal proceedings against those who conspired and defrauded the state exchequer, because this is crores of rupees down the drain. We were promised a state-of-the-art morgue. What we are seeing today is a non-functional morgue which has been built at a whopping cost of over 40 crores.